Hey there, what's up everyone? Hope you're doing great today. Do you want to get better lighting for your YouTube videos like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to get more professional lighting for your YouTube videos. Let's go. Alright, so before we begin this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We post the best reviews and tutorial videos. And hit that like button, it really helps us out. And let's get right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you the lighting that I use for my YouTube videos. It's a 18-inch ring light, and I've been using it for a few years now, and it has definitely made all of the difference. They come in a couple different sizes, although the best ones are the 14-inch and the 18-inch, which is the one that I use. So the 18-inch is a wider diameter ring, and the 14-inch is 4 inches smaller, so the diameter of the ring will be just a little bit smaller. There's going to be links down below in the description to both of these ring lights, 14-inch and 18-inch, so that you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's go ahead and show you. Alright, so this is the ring light that I am looking at when I am filming my YouTube videos. This is my desk right here, and this is the ring light. Let's go ahead and stand right here so we can take a look at it. As you can see, it's a stand. I have it connected there to the electricity. Let's go ahead and put it up here so we can get a better view. Alright, so as you can see, it is going to have a couple different things here that you can adjust. So you can tighten it to the desired height. You can also make it even higher if you prefer. And then this one down here is to adjust the width of the base. And then the other thing that you can do is, with this lever right here, you can tilt this forward or also tilt it back. So you can place it any position that you wish to use it in. And then right here, it's gonna have the knob to turn on and off the light. And you can dim it a little bit if you wish. So there it's a little bit dimmed. I know it seems kind of bright, but you can spin the wheel and make it brighter. Or just turn it off. And then up here, you can place different holders, either for your phone or for your camera. For your camera, you can just go ahead and place it right here. You can rotate the camera here, and it will lock down on this screw thing right here. If you want to use your phone, you can get something like this, which is very easy to use, and just spin it here until it's tight. And then you can adjust your phone in here. You can go ahead and grab your phone, place it in there like that, and then just go ahead and spin the little wheel here at the top until it tightens up and holds it in place. And then you can go ahead and open up your camera, and there you go. Turn this and the light will turn on, and there you go. So this is just a great option if you want an easy way to get more professional lighting for your YouTube videos. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.